Hey, this is a case of hydroxyapatite deposition in and about the shoulder. Hydroxyapatite disease is just shedding of calcium to the soft tissues, which usually happens in and around a joint. In the shoulder, there are three sites that hydroxyapatite commonly deposits. The most common is within the rotator cuff tendon, and when it's associated to inflammation, we call that calcific tendinopathy. And although we cannot see that on the radiograph, we can see inflammation of the tendon in ultrasound and in MRI. When the hydroxyapatite deposits within the bursa, like the subdeltoid bursa, and it gets inflamed, we call it subdeltoid bursitis. This is questionable because the calcium is not in the synovial lining of the bursa, so it is thought to be shedding from the calcium in the tendon into the bursa before it gets inflamed. And lastly is when you have hydroxyapatite deposition and calcium within the glenohumeral joint, and that is called a Milwaukee's shoulder. This causes a severe synovitis and eventually destroys all the bone around the articulation just because the synovitis increases the vascularity and activates osteoclastic activity and causes all this lytic event and destruction. So there you have it: calcific tendinosis, calcific bursitis, and Milwaukee's shoulder. Now you know.